Welcome viewers to another video of laptop repairs. Today we have in front of us an Acer Aspire V5 571 series laptop, and I have opened it up and did some servicing, and as part of servicing I've done dust cleaning of the components inside the laptop. Now what the laptop requires is to get a hard disk attached to it and then set up Windows on this laptop. Now the other thing that is failing on this laptop is its battery pack. So I have also got a new battery pack to be fixed onto this laptop, replacing the old one that is completely dead. Now I have already opened up, cleaned up everything, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to affix the hard disk that I have and continue with the setup after I close up all the open base and panels of this laptop. Okay, now we are going to connect the hard disk that we intend to put into this laptop. We have the connector here, and we will gently connect it in the correct fashion, making sure the connector aligns with the pins on the hard disk, and then we gently and neatly tuck the hard disk into the hard disk bay area. So now you can see that the hard disk has been connected and neatly put in back into its storage bay. Okay, after we have connected both the hard disk and the optical drive, we have put back the armrest panel that has the trackpad. Now we are going to screw in all the screws. After having connected the required ribbon cables, we had taken out two ribbon cables, which is this, and after that we are putting back the screws to ensure that everything is properly set in. We have 4 screws in total, one holding the optical drive, Okay, so now you can see that all the four screws have been put in and neatly screwed in, so nothing else remains other than to turn over the laptop and put in all the rest of the screws here. Okay guys, we have almost coming to an end of getting the laptop put back into its original condition. Now what remains is just putting back the keyboard. After the keyboard has been, its ribbon cable has been connected, we just put it back, making sure that it aligns with the notches. And just gently push the keyboard down till all the notches fit into its positions. So there you have it. Now the laptop is completely set up as in terms of hardware. All now that requires to be done is to install an operating system. So we will be going about doing that now. Alright viewers, now after we have plugged in our USB, which is over here, that is connected, as you can see, that contains the Windows installation media, you just switch on the laptop. And you will see that as there is no other means of operating system that the laptop can go into, it will directly go into the USB that is connected and search for an operating system that is present on the USB, which can be installed, and then go about going into the installation media. So this is roughly the process of cleaning up your laptop as in terms of hardware, and then proceeded by putting in a hard disk that is empty, and then going about installing an operating system of your choice. Hope you have got some idea of what is required, and if you have more doubts or inquiries, you can always get back to me on my handles put down in my channel description. So hoping that you enjoyed the video today. Till we meet again with another video, it's adios from my side.